Hi and hello to everyone watching this video. I am Gifty Pakiaje, a final year nursing student, and I stress a nursing student from St. Xavier's Catholic College of Nursing, Chungangadai, Kanyakumari district, Tamil Nadu. I am delighted to be here welcoming, celebrating International Day of the Nurse, a voice to lead health for all. What a wonderful way to celebrate all the profession this year. Every family in India and all over the world surely have their own story to tell how a nurse impacted on the most profound moments of their lives now. Corona. This is what we hear, listen, and watch people suffering from the day we arise until going back to bed. Being a nurse myself, seeing all the ill effects of corona and the hardships of nurses, I felt that I wanted to dedicate a lovely sweet notes to all my senior colleagues who are working directly in the practical area with all our sufferers. We follow and obey the government discipline asking stay home, stay safe. But what are my colleagues doing in the hospital close to the attack of corona? Thinking of that, I would never mention it as a tragedical or a sentimental situation, but rather it is a triumph or an accomplishment of all nurses who are risking their own lives all over the world, especially in my country, India. There was a poem reportedly found that as a woman's possession who died in the geriatric ward of Ashleigh Hospital near Scotland, which was worldwide shared by the staff all over the world. And we all know that this letter was all about the woman's self-pride of being a nurse and its role. Today, I feel here that not just during the old age, but with all the dreadful corona episodes happening now, each and every nurse will have an appreciation towards herself, and each one of them have special bibliography not just scripted by herself, but by all the entire community and nation with pure love, respect and gratitude towards her. We all knew that the year 2020 holds for the nurses, and 2020 is not just passing away by conducting any programs. No, the year has proved its original dream. Nurses are proving their skills all over the world by saying, "This is my year 2020. Do not worry, I am here with you to help and come out of this crisis." The world now currently is able to exist without anything or everything we had always wanted for, but not without nurses. They are the one and everything the world is in need for. There is no demand for any life materials, rather, there are immeasurable demands for the lovely nurses. Each day we hear heavy news related to corona, and which kills and pains our heart to ashes. A 12-year-old girl who walked 150 kilometers to her home with all these lockdown measures had died of hunger and dehydration. And I especially feel that the child in heaven would definitely ask, "Lord, can I go home to my mom and to my world?" This is where world gets stunned without knowing what to be done. But at the same time, I also feel that somewhere God has sent angels. They are none other than our lovely nurses. As a nursing student myself, I am very sorrowful and wistful that I am not there beside my lovely nurse and patients to help and to support them. I wish I could have completed my graduation years back to be there with the suffering population and hold their hands to tell them, "You are going to be alright. I am there for you as a barrier between you and corona. Stay strong, my child. Stay strong, my granny. Stay strong, my grandpa." But I am very consoled that our community has plenty of warm nurses, determined nurses to fight against corona, plenty of self-forgetting nurses without their caring their own family, plenty of altruistic, generous nurses to put the people first in their life, self-sacrificing nurses without any food, water, sleep or rest. I still remember the inauguration of Nursing Now 2020, where our deeply respected registrar Dr. Annie Grace Kalaimadi was saying that there will be immense deals and opulence of activities for all the nurses over all the world and in India this year. And the nurse would be celebrated, and her words had come true. Yes, they are not just celebrated, but they are recognized as the breath everyone takes now. Nurses have shown to the world that they do not work on conditions only under favorable outcomes, or only with a scenario under survival with a smooth running. And here they are in the dreadful environment, as you people know. They extending their hands to the needy when they all knew well that the fortune of their life is jeopardized and their survival depends only on luck. I would like to say all my nursing brothers and sisters that you are not concealed anymore. You are not shrouded anymore. You are not restricted anymore. But you are taken as a role of public living life figure for all the humans in the world. No life without you, our dear nurses, our heroes. Stay with people, stay with sufferers, stay long, stay healthy. Keep working hard. We need you forever. We love you so much that we wanted you to stay safe too. On behalf of myself and the entire family of St. Xavier's Catholic College of Nursing, our prayers and speedy recovery wishes for all the patients who are suffering with corona, saying, do not worry. We nurses are with you. Stay positive and all believe that it is just temporary and all is well. Let us accept things going around us now, and let's all unite and join together with the healthcare professionals fighting for us in the battlefield against COVID 19. Thank you. Thank you for this great opportunity.